Okay, so let's talk about the difference between torque sticks and just extended sockets and such. All right, this is a extended socket, like a driveline impact socket. It uses an O-ring and a through pin, made by Mito, Japan, aka Mitoloy, aka Mito Koki. Looks like that, and it's an 18 millimeter, 150 millimeters long. I like the Japanese part number systems. They're pretty. See, 4 means half-inch drive. ES means probably like extended or something. This is an aircraft one. It's I believe it's American made, and I put some heat shrink on there to make it a little more grippy and wrote the size on it. It's got a spring-loaded magnet in there, and it's an impact that uses a through pin and an O-ring, or the clips they make now, and it's got some sort of a mechanical fuse. See, this part's steel, then it's got an aluminum sleeve with coiled spring pins, so that I believe it will just break the spring pins, and then you rebuild it if you put too much torque on it. Might be for an aircraft spark plug or something like that, but then it wouldn't have a simple magnet. It's got to be for something else, right? These are Koken torque sticks. This one is just a half-inch drive one, 90 Newton meters. So you give it a couple ugga-duggas, and it won't go much past 90. I did a little color fill on it. Koken's the best, cold forged, best socketry around. Yes, and it has a pin type retention. This is a Mitoloy stud socket. So it has M16 threads, M16 by 1.5 threads with a ball bearing in it. And you can use that to install 16 millimeter studs. This one is an integrated torque stick with an integrated socket. 60 Newton meters, 19 millimeter. An interesting thing, so it's roll stamped and laser etched. Same type of retention as the Japanese and Germans tend to use. An interesting thing about this one is this asymmetrical chamfer, and I couldn't figure this out because I've never really used impacts. I took apart a couple very Rust Belt cars, all with hand tools, and it super sucked. And now I really just have assembly to do, but I still think impact tools are interesting, and I have some, and I'll take something else apart someday. So what I decided the asymmetrical chamfer is so you can do clutch drops, right? So you can get the tool on there when it's already spinning, and to have more breakaway, I guess, or break on way, I guess, ennui. That's about it.